Good afternoon. My name is McKinley Scott, and on today I will be talking about one of the games I utilize with my students at school. Today I'm gonna talk about Kahoot. Kahoot is one of the best games I've ever played, and it's engaging, and it actually gives the teacher a chance to access her students or his students just to see what they have learned. Also, as an admin, I have started using Kahoot so I can get to know my teachers better, so we can have fun and make professional development fun. And we also can use it while we're not at school. Like if the teacher's at home or I am at home, we can have different Kahoot meetings and actually get to know each other. All right, so on today, I'm going to explain how to sign up and use Kahoot. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you want to go to sign up, and then you want to pick either teacher, student, personal, or professional. I normally pick teacher, and I go from there. Now I'm gonna go back because I've already have an account. So once you get signed up, you go to log in, you put in your email, your password, and you sign up. Or you can continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in. All right, once you log in, this is the home screen. So with this right here, all the most important part with everything that you have going on down here, like your demo game, creating a hoot, and hosting a Kahoot. The most important part to me is just going to the create button. You want to create a Kahoot. All right, once you get here, you hit create a new Kahoot, and at this point, you can actually type in a question, whatever you want to type in, whatever type of question you want to type, and then you create answers. You create an answer choice that's either um, the red, or you can do the blue, the yellow, or the green, and you make the answer be right on whatever you want it to be. Once you create your answer choices, then you'll get your answers. All right, once you get through with that, you can add a question. So right here, you can either put it in quiz style, which would end up looking like this. So Mount Everest is located in, and then now you see the answers, and then you keep moving. Or you can do true or false, and you can ask the question, and the children pick true or false. Then you can type your answer in, and so on. But I love the ones that you do and you call it in it and use it as a quiz. All right. Now, once you have created your Kahoot, you actually now it just goes into one of the other things I like to do is use Discover. So if you don't have anything in mind, you can use Discover, and it will show you how to access different things that you could actually get questions from people who have already created Kahoot. If you're a math person, you can come here and click on math, and it has questions for you. So let's say I'm gonna click here. All right, so you got the you see here's all the questions, and then they show you the answers and everything. So now I will hit start. So once you get with Kahoot and you get started, what you do is you hit classic mode or team mode. So if I hit classic mode, what it does is it gives everybody the code that you would need to join, or you can use the QR code and it will allow you to join as well. So these are ways that I use Kahoot. So now once everybody has joined, then you're able to play, and they can ask questions, and then you can see who the winner is and everything else. All right, so let's go back now. Once you hit discover, then you can go into your library. This is where you can save your favorites, and you also can share. So anybody who share anything with you, you can come in here and access that. Then it gives you the reports. This is just where everybody grades or what they pick, or the percentage you got right, the percentage you got wrong. Then also you have groups. This is where you can go in and create your groups, and these people y'all can share and do things together. Now, the interesting thing about Kahoot is you're able to actually go to the marketplace and you actually create anything and actually can make money. Now, this part I've never used, but I'm quite sure that a lot of people use it. All right, so the other thing is Kahoot is the prices are three. Um, all right, so you see here you have the 3, the 6, and the 675, which is the basic is the free. So once you get here to the basic part, it shows you what's free and what's not. All right, so the read aloud, and you have up to 50 players, but if you on Kahoot Pro, you get 100, and then you get 200 for Kahoot Premium, and you get 2,000 for Kahoot Premium Plus. And it just shows you everything that you get with the basic kind all the way up to the Kahoot Premium Plus. So no, Kahoot is not, well, it is free, but at the same time, if you wanted to upgrade, you can, and you can buy these different courses, and you're able to come in and do certain things like the number of teachers in a group. Right here on basic, you only have one. Here you have three, and then Kahoot Premium you have 10. The number of teachers in a group, you only have 5, 20, and 20, and then the Kahoot Premium Plus is unlimited. So it just goes into this, shows you everything that you can buy with Kahoot, and when you can't see right here, most this whole category right here, learning apps for your family, is only used when you pay the Kahoot Premium Plus. And you see now it's actually running a sale on it, so you can get it for $6.75 instead of $9. So that's everything that I know from Kahoot, and I feel like it is very, very powerful. It's something that you can use in your classroom and also use it in professional development. Again, thank you.